_ Kochako eni komiti od bura mar arita kwayo mar mondo mi omigi bilion 3.4 mar ndiko obila manyiena maromo 10,000 kagiwacho ni omenda ma omigi nyalo mana ndiko obila maromo 5,000 kende. Magi oyangi e kinde magichwalo kwayo magidwa ni oket e bajet misomo dwe manyiena. Wawinj madhi mbele.
Vice Chair has talked about modernization. Why several program of modernization? Because the same question is in Bagati. Now, on modernization, we have got two aspects. We have got modernization being implemented by Interior, which is now the one with the 3.4 billion, which is a long-term program. It is supposed to cost 28 billion. And that include now buying APS, makumbaru kwa Kiswahili inaitwa nini? APCs, AMRAPs, drones, to buy what we call shotgun helicopters, and several things that we have already inquired. And the initial budget was that. And it was supposed to be budgeted every year. The first year we did 5 billion. The second time we did 2.5 billion. The other time we were to do 6, it came, disappeared. It went to 0. Now we are reviving it again.
When did it start?
Immediately after this government came in.
So 2022, 2023.
The first budget of William Ruto of Kenya.
2023 financial year.
Yes.
Chairman, actually, I have no problem with any monies allocated for security operations at the police. Because we understand what the National Police Service do. I mean, that's their work. But I have great reservations on security operations money at the Interior and Administration. And especially when village elders' budget is not there. So my proposal, Chairman, would be, as you make consultation with your members, we must strive, Budget Committee, and Honorable Togoyo's committee, that in this budget, Chairman, we must fund the payment for village elders.